Let's brush up on the core concepts of Flare as an editor and go over the names and the use of the interfaces and tools. We'll begin by talking about the differences between design and animate mode. Flare has two different modes of operation, animation and design. The names speak for themselves. In the design tab, you do just that, you design, while in animate, you take the objects that you created in the design mode and animate their attributes to create an animation effect. It is important to note that the interface and tools will change depending on the mode you are in and depending on the object that is selected. Let's do a quick example. If we go back to design mode, you can see that we have transform tools and create tools within the toolbar. If we select create tools, we can create different shapes. As an example, let's create a star. We drag the star on the stage and then select the star. To the right, you will see there is an inspector with different attributes to define the shape of the star. If we change the mode to animate, you can see that the inspector changes slightly. Note the slight difference between design and animate. This is because in animate mode, you are only allowed to change the attributes that can be animated. So as a quick example, let's do a fast animation. And there we have a quick animation. If we head back to design mode, we do not have the animation tools. We do, however, have the create tools. As opposed to animate, you're not allowed to create or delete objects. At the moment, I'm hitting the delete key and I'm not deleting the star. To delete this star, you would need to head back to design mode. You can delete it, and then you can proceed to create new shapes and objects.